Welcome, my name is FELIX. Getting started with Forex trading. Join Plan B Express in partnership with CAPITALXTEND. Why? What is Forex trading? I'm going to be as brief as possible, and it's not about conceptual definition. It's a lot to give you an idea. Forex trading is called, in short, Forex, foreign exchange. Trading is the buy and selling of currencies globally. It is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world, averaging $10 trillion in 24 hours. A way to make money by predicting currency price movement. That's exactly what you're looking for. Predicting currency price movement. Okay, so that's Forex trading for you. Now, why choose Forex trading? Because 24 hours market access, high liquidity and potential for profit, flexible work from anywhere opportunity, part-time or full-time. Why choose Plan B Express? Trusted partnership with CAPITALXTEND, leverage advanced technology and expert insight, beginner-friendly, tailored for newcomers with ease to understand tools and resources, guided training, access to professional Forex training, and one-on-one support system. It's not a making, it's not like hype. You have access to a lot of information that are going to help you. Our activities is based on information, instruction, and action for result. So we are not giving certification, we are giving what we call application. So if it's for certification, don't come to Plan B. But if it's for activation and application, come to Plan B. Your tools that are trading tools, we have advanced trading platform, user-friendly interface with real-time data analysis, Forex education, course design for absolute beginners to expert traders, 24/7 customer support, expert guidance whenever you need it. Plan B Express opportunity plan for traders and investors. We have copy trading for passive income. We have flexible and profitable career trading with tools such as scanners, notification softwares, robotic AI automation, free signals, etc. Affiliate rebate system for residual income. So you can actually a kind of combo system, 3-in-1 combo system, passive income, active income, and residual income. What do I say? Passive income, active income, and residual income. Why do we say active income? Passive income, you connect with your master traders, and then you get your account growing without you giving your money to anybody. So the aspect of Ponzi scheme is already taken off. All right. Active income, you get trade, you're trading as a career person, will get all the necessary support, you make productive and profitable income. Affiliate rebate system, it's residual because once you connect people with your account and then they are trading, you continue to make residual income. So they have 3-in-1 system, active income, passive income, and residual income. Ready to begin? Sign up on Plan B Express CAPITALXTEND platform. So we have the Telegram, the WhatsApp group, get sign up, then access the beginners trainings and open minimum funding account. So once you want to get started, we take you through to get on board on our software platforms or application platforms on Telegram, on WhatsApp, and on whoops.com. Then you start trading with real-time guidance and expert support. 3 ways. Get into their ecosystem, then get the training basics, haven't funded your account, and then start trading with real time. So don't wait. Start your Forex journey today. Click on the link to register and start this exclusive offer for new members to receive free educational resources, customized scanner notification softwares, robotic AI system. And of course, we can help you. You can contact us on this email, topfelix2030@gmail.com, +2349047044998, or go to our website www.planbexpress.com. And you can visit our office at Plan B Express Chidima Plaza 49 Odaba Road, opposite Pimi Tasty Fish, Pharmacy, Port Harcourt, River State. Thank you very much for listening. This is amazing, and you cannot afford to miss it. Don't wait. Let's make money together. Bye for now. My name is Medasi Falejimo, the team lead of Plan B Express. Yeah, but the second segment I'm going to take you through is that I mentioned some things, support system that you can have and to get started. And I'm going to show you some of those examples. All right. We told you that you need to get started, and then to get started, where do you get started from, and all of those supporting tools we talked about that are going to help you as much as possible. So if it is, let's go. How do you get started? First of all, we just told you about aspect of registering. Of course, you join our group. And then once you join our group, you're going to have a link then where you can register your account on CAPITALXTEND. So you fill in your detail this way, and then once your details are filled in, then it's going to ask you to verify your account, to do your KYC. Once that is properly done, then you have access, and then you fund your account. Once your account is funded, you have to screenshot and get to us on the plus number, the number +234 90470 44998. And then once that is done, we add you to the group properly for signals and other directional information. You have access to beginners training and going to help you. Now, additional thing you can have, look at some of those things we're mentioning. I'm waiting for here for this market to confirm and I will buy. Okay. This is just like a pullback. After a bullish confirmation, I'm waiting to buy. Now we have scanners too that give those kind of informations or directions, as it were. Just this is good. So every time I have more confirmation or informations to take into the market, actually coming to tap into a fair value gap, and then afterwards the markets to be rallying up, right? So you have scanners that give you ideas how to get in and get traded, and this is a signal for sell ordinarily for people who are following in and scalping all the time, and then they will have scalped, make some money, and then looking for a buy opportunity again and all of that. This is another scanner. Now this is good. You can see where it has actually showed a kind of change in direction, and that will have short some position for people who are scalping anyway. Okay, I don't scalp to that extent. I do not have time for too much scalping, as it were. So but if you look at it, coming to this point, that's about 40 pips done already. For people who are scalping, they make a lot of money because they know their owners. But is it compulsory for everyone to scalp? Absolutely no. You can day trade and then follow, but these are instruments freely available. If we look at it, this market is tending to come back to this point, except and if we have a good support system here. But if you get rejected here, that means you are going to travel back to 3353 region before another buy. But give and take, it is what it is because this is a lower time frame scalping and all of that. This is another scanner. Then see the market. Of course, this is market to sell down to this point. 3344 something, depending on what you're doing. So I'm not saying you should sell. I'm not saying you should buy. I'm just showing you all of those scanners, and you learn how to actually apply all of these scanners. They are free for you the moment you're part of the ecosystem. So these are lovely things we do in our ecosystem to support people trade, make profit, and then you keep your profit. You don't need to give your profit to us. We want everybody to make money, and that's one of the whole ideology we depend on, and that's why we put in all the effort. You can see the market is rallying up, and so if I return back to where I actually was targeting to find an entry, because I was telling somebody that if the market could travel down to this point and have a bullish reversal, so I was going to be finding an entry. So let me go to 5 minutes for scalping. Can you see now on 5 minutes for scalping? This will have been an entry for me, okay? So if that is the case, to find an entry here, it's very simple. So look at it. After this close was like supposed to be an entry for me. So that I'm going to put a stop loss. Now, if I'm going to use 1:2 risk reward, so let's go. Something like that. So I probably could just locate any other instrument I am trading or any account I have to trade. So let's go. So it's a practical class, okay? And that's why we encourage people to take advantage of being part of Plan B Express Capital Extend community, and then you can maximize profit. Okay, XAU USD. So I'm going to go to XAU USD, XAU USD. I'm just trying to do some practical for us so that we can be on the same page. So let me quickly share the page I was trying to share right now. XAU USD. Okay, so here is it. So let's go to the 5 minute. You know, it says Kappa. Yeah, so this is 5 minutes. So look at it. How to find an entry. So this is an entry, and then you know scalper always take every small move and then take advantage of it. Okay, so I'm already in profit. So because I was not following, so I was already in profit. If not, this will have been my entry after this close. So let's go. Now we have entered the market. So let's look at it. What should be our take profit? We entered here, and we see stop loss below this. And then our take profit 1:2 risk reward. The first one will have been here, then 2 risk, 1:2 risk reward. So that will be over here. Okay, so let's go. So we're going to go into, so to an extent, if I like, I can push up here, but that means I want to be monitoring the trade. If I must monitor the trade, so that means I'm going to do 1:3.3 risk reward if I monitor the trade, but you expect the market probably when you get here to actually have another issue. But let's go. So our stop loss. Now, you know, this is a support line to market. If you can come down, this is a liquidity because these are another thing, but you know, it's a scalping moment for a very strong scalper will have found an entry after the displacement. So let's go. So we take, put the stop loss. Okay, so I'll put a stop loss. Okay, we have $5 profit already. So if it's scalper, he will take a profit. So let's look at where is our stop loss. Okay, so our stop loss is at 3357 or something. So let's take it there. 3357. That's about how much? $14. Then, so the target up 3375. So I just take it at 3375. 3375. That's about $39. So I click. Then I've set my take profit and stop loss. Oh, am I in order? Very bad network. Okay. So I put our stop loss and take profit. So let's open it up to see what's going on here. Could be network issues or something. So, but we've set to take profit and stop loss at the region. Okay. So when it come up, we return back here. So this video is not too long. It's just to show you some practical steps of the market and how you benefit from our ecosystem coming into Plan B Express, and then maximizing the impact of CAPITALXTEND and what you are going to benefit. Okay. So remember, we said entry here, stop loss below here, and then take profit here, 1:2 risk reward, 3375 region or thereabout, and stop loss at 3355 or thereabout, and then that is done. So the worst that could happen if the market come to the stop loss, you hit your stop loss and you have no problem. Okay. So I think I need to even send this one to our community because I actually do not have enough time to have given them signals all this why. So a community member need to have this. So this is just to send to them. Well, you know, this is a scalping. Okay. So I'm going to send it out to our community so that they can have a signal. So ladies and gentlemen, so these are the opportunity you are open to. We have softwares that give you notification So time will not permit for me to show and share with you on that. Okay, let's go. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen. And that's so far we can have on this, the opportunity that you have to benefit from our ecosystem, Plan B Express CAPITALXTEND partnership. Thank you very much. And you have any questions, don't hesitate to chat me up on +234 90 470 44 and 998. Bye for now.